We connect the dots to build a better world. Transform your concepts into reality with our cutting-edge 3D product visualization, bringing every detail of your design to vibrant life. Experience the intricate world of medical science like never before with detailed and accurate medical 3D animations. Innovate and captivate with our state-of-the-art product visualizations, designed to showcase your products in the most dynamic and engaging way. Dive into the fluid dynamics of our liquid simulations, where every ripple and wave is rendered with astonishing realism. Elevate your industrial designs with our precise and detailed visualizations, bringing complex machinery and processes into clear view. Rev up your engineering with our automotive mechanics animations, where every gear and piston is modeled for peak performance and visual impact. Ignite your imagination with our stunningly realistic simulations of smoke, fire, and dust, capturing the chaotic beauty of these elements in motion. We connect the dots to build a better world.